Have you ever wondered if getting an auto loan from a local bank or credit union could save you money compared to dealer financing? It's a smart question, because finding the right financing is just as important as finding the right car. Today, we're diving into the specifics of Patriot Bank's auto loans, what kind of interest rates you can expect, and what it takes to qualify. Patriot Bank auto loan interest rates. Let's talk rates. Patriot Bank offers competitive annual percentage rates, or APRs, for both new and used vehicles. For a new vehicle, you could find rates as low as 4.75% APR for shorter terms like up to 3 or 4 years. If you need a longer term, say 5 years, the rate might start around 5% APR, and for a 6-year loan, you might see rates around 5.5% APR. For used vehicles, the starting rates are often similar for newer models, like models from 2017 to the present, but can be slightly higher for older cars. For example, a used car from 2017 to 2023 could start around 4.75% APR for a 3-year term. Here's the key takeaway: these are their best available rates. Your final, specific rate will depend on a few critical factors, most importantly, your credit score. The better your credit history, the lower your APR is likely to be. They also offer a discounted rate if you set up automated payments directly from a Patriot Bank account, which is a great way to shave a few points off your rate. Qualifications and application process. So, what do you need to look like to qualify? While Patriot Bank doesn't publish a single rigid list, auto loan qualifications generally focus on proving your ability and willingness to repay the loan. First, you'll need to demonstrate a positive credit history. This is where your credit score comes in. They'll run a credit check to assess your financial reliability. Second, for the vehicle itself, Patriot Bank offers financing for new or used vehicles, with pre-approval available so you can shop with confidence. They may have maximum age or mileage restrictions for used vehicles to qualify for their best rates, so that's definitely something to check on. The application process is designed to be speedy and easy. You can start the process by inquiring about a loan online, or you can even get financing right at a partner dealership if they are on Patriot Bank's list. They pride themselves on having an experienced loan officer ready to guide you and offering a quick approval process. Finally, one nice benefit is that Patriot Bank generally has no prepayment penalties, which means if you decide to pay off your loan early, you won't be charged extra fees. That's a huge plus for financial flexibility. If you're ready to get started, you can visit their website to check current rates, use their loan calculator, or simply fill out their short online form to have a lending professional reach out to you. Summary of key points. To quickly recap, Patriot Bank offers competitive APRs starting around 4.75% for new and newer used vehicles. Rates are primarily determined by your credit score. A rate discount is available for setting up automated payments. Qualification is based on a positive credit history and the specifics of the vehicle. The process is quick and allows for both pre-approval and dealership financing. Choosing the right loan can save you thousands over the life of your car. It pays to do your homework and compare your options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.